Hello, this is question number 58 on stoichiometry. Calculate the mass of solute in 250 ml of 0.75 molar silver nitrate solution. They've given us the relative atomic mass of silver nitrate and that of silver and then that of nitrogen and oxygen. Alright, so we want to get the mass here. Now, I'm going to do this really slowly, but if you're one of those smart kids, this is basically what you need to do here. If you want to get a mass, you know that the concentration is moles over volume. Volume is given there. Concentration is given there. You get the moles. Moles that you would now get, you equate that to mass over molar mass which you can calculate here, and then you get the mass, and that's all. But if you didn't really get that, then let's just do it step by step, and eventually we'll all get it, okay? So, we want to get the mass. We already know that concentration is equal to moles of the solute divided by the volume of the solution. We know that, right? Okay. It means that 0.75 is equal to moles divided by the volume, which is 250. But I will not just use the 250 like that. I have to divide it by 1,000 because I need to convert that to liters. So that's why I did that, okay? So dividing 250 by 1,000 there, you should have 0.25, and then when you multiply that by the 0.75 over there, you get the moles. So it just means that moles, at this point is mass, right? So moles is going to be 0.1875. That's what you have in mole. See, once you've gotten this already, it's now so easy because we've gotten the moles of the silver nitrate. Now, in this question, we were already given the molar mass of silver nitrate because we're given this, so we can actually get the molar mass from there. And the mass is basically equal to moles multiplied by molar mass. Remember, the question said get the mass. Okay? Mass is moles times molar mass. We know the moles, that we've done that. All we need to do is multiply that by the molar mass. So it means that we're doing 0.1875, which is the moles, multiplied by the molar mass of silver nitrate. And how do you do that? The silver nitrate we're dealing with AgNO3. Ag is about 108 plus nitrogen is about 14 plus we have O3 here. That's 3 multiplied by whatever O is. O is 16 from the question. That's 3 multiplied by 16. Good. I'll just use my brackets there to make life easy for everybody. Alright, so if you should just solve this out, you should be able to get about 31.875. And that will be the answer in grams. Alright, so this is what you would be obtaining as your answer here. And this is basically like the end of the whole thing. You see? Not that hard. Is it hard? Let me know in the comments. It's hard. Yeah, and I'll see you on 59.